Hey everyone, today we're comparing three popular CAD programs in 2025, Onshape, Fusion 360, and Solidworks. Let's break them down and see which one's best for your needs, all in 2 minutes. First up, Onshape. It's a cloud-based CAD tool, meaning you can use it anywhere with an internet connection. No downloads needed. It's great for teams with built-in file sharing and version control. Onshape is simple to use but lacks some advanced features like built-in simulations. It's subscription-based, starting around $120 a month for pros. Next, Fusion 360, another cloud-based option from Autodesk. It's packed with tools for 3D modeling, simulations, and even manufacturing. It's user-friendly, great for beginners, and offers a free version for hobbyists. Pricing starts at about $60 a month for paid plans, making it budget-friendly. Finally, Solidworks, a desktop-based powerhouse from Dassault Systems. It's the go-to for complex designs and advanced simulations, perfect for big industries like aerospace. It's pricier, starting at $2,820 a year, and needs a strong PC but is super customizable. So how do they stack up? Onshape shines for teamwork and ease of access, ideal for small teams or startups. Fusion 360 is versatile and affordable, perfect for hobbyists or small businesses. Solidworks is the heavy hitter for complex projects but costs more and isn't cloud-based. For quick designs and collaboration, pick Onshape. For a balance of feature and price, go with Fusion 360. For advanced engineering, Solidworks is king. Choose based on your budget and project needs. That's it. Let us know your favorite CAD tool in the comments. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.